Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crazy Coding. So this is my first video and I will be giving a bit of intro about myself. I am Chandran Paul, currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, and I'm aspiring to become a computer engineer in the near future. Now, coding and programming is a skill which is essential for every type of engineer in the world today, be it a civil engineer or a mechanical engineer. So, this channel is all about coding, and this is a one stop destination for learning the basics of Python and other languages. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, today we'll be learning a bit about Python, and you can learn Python on many software that are available today on the internet. But the most relevant ones that are taught in school and in colleges are that in ideally or in Google Colab. So I'll be doing it on Google Colab because it's a relatively user-friendly software. So let's get started. Now to open Google Colab, you have to search Google Colab in the Google Chrome, and here you go, Google Colab. A link will come. You have to click on the link. Now you have to open a new notebook for any type of new program that you want to write. So we'll open a new notebook. Okay, so before we get started, we need to get accustomed with this website. So this is where we'll generally write the code, and this button is for running the code, which we'll see after we have written something. Now, before we go into the details, we must know about the basic things about Python. I'm sure you must be accustomed with all those variables, tokens, identifiers. So we'll start with statements. What is a statement? Statements are simple sentences that are used to carry out some basic function. Statements are of two types, input statements and output statement. The most basic output statement that you might know is the print statement. So without further ado, let's try out the print statement. Now the syntax in Python is very easy and user friendly. It's almost as same as English language. So for writing to print something, we just need to write print brackets in quotes. You need to write what you print. Suppose I am printing hello world, and that's it. Let's see. It's running. It will take a little bit time. See, and here is the output hello world. Now let's talk a little bit about the input statements. As you might have guessed from the name, input statement is used to take input. The most basic input statement used in Python is the input function. Now let's see the syntax of the input function. For that, we first need to define a variable a equals to input. Here you'll write a message, enter your input. And now we will print that variable to see what is stored in that. Now let's run it. Here you see there's a dialog box saying enter your input. So I'll write crazy coding. This is my input, and then I'll click on enter and see the output is written as crazy coding. Now the default data type of the input function is string. But if you want to input any values of integer, then we need to write integer before the input function. So let's see that. We'll define another variable b equals to int input, enter your number, print b. Now we'll enter the number 7. That's it. The output statement print will print the number 7. So I guess that's all for today. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Chandra and Paul, the narrator of this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.